What accountability did war criminals face after WW2? Imagine a world trying to find justice after one of the deadliest conflicts in history. That's what happened after World War II. Leaders and soldiers responsible for terrible crimes needed to answer for their actions. The main way they did this was through international military tribunals. The most famous was the Nuremberg trials, held from November 1945 to October 1946. These trials brought together judges from the Allied powers to prosecute top Nazi leaders. 24 high-ranking officials faced charges like planning and starting aggressive wars, breaking laws of war, and committing crimes against humanity. Crimes against humanity included the Holocaust, where millions of Jews and other persecuted groups were murdered. The defendants were also accused of conspiracy to commit these crimes. The trials resulted in 19 convictions. 12 of those convicted were sentenced to death by hanging, including Hermann Göring, who committed suicide before his execution. Others received prison sentences, some for 10 years, and a few were acquitted. The Nuremberg trials also declared that Nazi organizations like the SS, Gestapo, and Nazi Party leadership were criminal groups. Members of these groups could be held responsible unless they proved they were not involved in crimes. These trials were a turning point because they showed that individuals, even leaders of a country, could be held accountable under international law. They rejected the idea that following illegal orders was a defense. After Nuremberg, other trials took place, especially in the United States and other Allied countries. These targeted lower-ranking officials and specific groups involved in the Holocaust. The legal standards established during these trials helped shape modern international criminal law. War criminals after World War II faced serious consequences like death sentences, long prison terms, and legal condemnation of their organizations. These efforts created a foundation for holding people accountable for war crimes and crimes against humanity, shaping justice for decades to come.